Large intestine 17 is located on the side of your neck. I recommend that you use a light touch for all points on the neck, including large intestine 17. To locate large intestine 17, find the front of your voice box. It is the prominence in the middle of your neck, right over here. Now find the point that is the width of 3 thumbs to the side of that, right here. Next, find the point that is the width of 1 thumb below that, right here. Gently tap this area 5 times quickly, take a break for a count of 5, and repeat 4 more times. It might look like this.